got going on over here? What is this thing? This thing hasn't been seen on YouTube before. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Damn. Gotta see prepared. The Red Bull. There's a black crew neck. Slick. I mean, for me. Do you have a phone charger in here? Oh yeah, guys, this is Ethan's new S2000. This is a 2007 82, 2008 82. It is slammed. My favorite part has the Stop Tech brakes. Brake kit, shit. TE37s. It's got the Recaro pole positions. The whole back half has been deleted, basically. The audio system sucks, but I mean, race car, what can you say? Yeah. Single exit exhaust, sounds like a street bike. It's super fun. It's everything.
This was the dream build S2K.
Yeah, obviously.
This is what I wanted the previous two to be, and now I have it. I didn't build it, but
Hey, bought not built. We built another one, but
yeah, we built like two pretty much.
yeah, so it's pretty sick. We are heading to Austin. Want to meet up with Eddie. I wonder what he's gonna drive today.
You better
M3 or GT3? This audio is probably trash.
what?
This audio?
Oh,
All right, we're gonna drive later. That one actually looks small. Bad way, like, or efficiency? Yeah, so I just...
Trying to find a balance, reaching for my equilibrium. Fools, I pity them. I'm not a human. Fake superhero like the mystery man. I ain't saving nothing. I'm getting faded till the angels come and skipping all the famous functions. How do the famous function? The A-list can't be trusted. I strong arm them like I play the trumpet. The bottom barrel of society. I tell my bitch if she don't love me, then just lie to me. I'm finer than the winery.